Okay. All right, hands up, guys. When you're ready to speak, put your hands up. Hands up. Okay. We'll start with Mustafa. Mustafa.
Till 16. Distinguish other, another, and others.
All of you know the word distinguish, right?
يميز. Yeah.
There you go. Yumayyiz. Other, another, and others. Okay. All right. Mustafa, continue.
Okay. Other, another, and others are very easy to confuse.
Yeah.
To decide how to use each of them correctly, you must consider the three things. First thing,
Number one.
if it is singular or plural.
Okay, stop. So anytime you use these words, you have to think about the noun. Think about the noun that we use with it or the object that you refer to. Okay. All right. So if it is singular, if the noun is singular, or if the noun that we refer to, if it's plural, singular or plural. Okay. That's the first thing. Ayad, what's next?
If it is definite, the or infinite.
Stop. Okay. If it is definite means what, gentlemen? Do you know the meaning of definite? If it's definite, something is specific. Do you understand? A specific thing. If you talk about a specific thing, then it's the definite thing. Okay. The opposite, what's the opposite? Indefinite, right? That's the opposite. Indefinite. So when it's a specific thing, use the. When it's just a general thing or person, general thing or person, then it's a. Okay. What's the third point of those E's?
If it is an adjective, it appears with the noun.
Right. What does that mean?
Describe the noun.
Yeah. Remember, adjectives must have a noun. Why? Why do adjectives take a noun?
To describe.
Describes a noun. So we use when it's an adjective, if it is an adjective, you must put it together with a noun. Okay? Or
if it is a pronoun, it appears by itself.
When it's a pronoun, then it will appear by itself. No. Who's in 03? Raise your hand if you're in 03. Okay. Many of you. Okay. Now, if we look here in 03 at skill number, the green book. Now, I'm not sure if your teachers teach you the TOEFL skills, but I teach my students the TOEFL skills. And if you look at this one, possessives, okay? Now, some of you in my class, you might remember this skill.
Yeah.
Right? Right. And if you remember the chart, what do you have on the left?
Possessive adjectives.
On the left, we have adjectives, right? What does it mean when you have an adjective? What does it mean?
Before.
Right here. What does it say?
Together. Must go together with the noun.
It must. It's not optional. And what about the other side?
Pronoun.
They're pronouns. What does that mean
And-
exactly? What does it mean? If it's a pronoun?
You don't have to
cannot-
write the pronoun. Okay.
No, not. You're Abdul Majid, when you say you don't have to, that means you're telling me
Must.
that you're telling me that it's optional.
Yes, you
It
mustn't.
is not optional. Okay. All right. And this is you have to know this skill or you lose marks in the TOEFL. Okay. Right. You cannot put the pronoun together with a noun. Okay. The adjective, you must put the adjective with a noun. Do you understand? But the pronoun cannot be with a noun. Okay. For example, if you talk about your brother, do you say he, my brother? Is this what you say? He, my brother?
No.
My brother is older. Okay. If I say that, should I say he, my brother is older? Or my brother, he is older? Huh?
double
Do I
subject.
say that?
No.
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 How about my grandfather is kind. Is it okay to say my grandfather, he is kind?
No.
No.
Why?
Because you have extra subject here.
Yes, that's a double subject. Grandfather, my grandfather, he, together, that's a double subject. That's wrong. In TOEFL, you lose marks. Do you understand? Yeah. So if you put a pronoun together with a noun, it's the same thing. My grandfather, he. It's the same thing. Do you understand? Okay. So by the way, this skill is also in the red book. Who's in 04 in this group? Who's in 04? Ian Jail 04. Okay. Ahmed, Abdurrahman. Good. Okay. So this skill is also in the red book. Same skill, red book. Okay. All right. So let's take a look. So we have to decide three things. Remember, the number, right? Singular, plural. Number two, when it's something specific, something or somebody, or general. Okay. Then number three, a pronoun or an adjective. These are the three things you have to remember for this skill. Okay. And what does it mean if it's a pronoun, Abdul Majid? If it's a pronoun, what does it mean? It appears by itself. What's that?
You don't. You mustn't complete it with adjective or
Right. And what did I write here?
must stand alone.
Must stand alone. Okay. All right. So Suhaib, you want to start with the indefinite?
Okay. Indefinite, general, not special, or not
specific, right? If something is general, it is not a specific thing, okay? Right?
Yeah.
Right? Now, when it is general and singular. So if it's general plus it's a singular item, read the example.
Adjective, I have another book. I have another.
What's the difference between the example above and the one below?
The above, it's another, it's adjective because
How do you know?
describe the book.
Yes, it describes the book.
And then
The
second one, I have another, it's a pronoun. It's
How do you know?
alone stand or stand alone, sorry.
Stands alone, exactly. Stands alone. Okay. All right. Nasr al-Qatani, what about the plural? So when it is general, right? And it's plural.
I have other books. I have others.
Yeah. What's the difference?
Others came before books.
Above, the example above is an adjective, right?
Yes,
And the one below it.
pronoun.
Now, take a look at this. Look at the shape. Look at the spelling. Do you see a difference in the spelling?
Yes,
Guys, can you see a difference in the spelling?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
there is S.
Can I add an S if it's an adjective?
No,
No.
you can't.
No. It's the same idea with the possessives, right? You see all the possessives, right? If you add an S, it's a pronoun. When you add an S, it is a pronoun. Hers, pronoun. Ours, pronoun. Theirs, pronoun. Do you understand? Same idea here. Same idea here. When you put an S, when you add the S, it's a pronoun. Okay? Now, but look at this one over here.
That's the same.
It's the same.
Yes.
Now,
Special
why
case?
is that? Well, do you know this word?
Another. And,
Article.
And
oh, because, okay, singular.
Mustafa. Aha.
Yeah,
When do I use an
singular noun before the
for a
singular.
singular noun, right?
Yeah,
Another is just an plus
other.
other together. Do you understand? Another. Okay. On this side, it's other with S added. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. What if I put another's? What if I add an S here? Another's.
Lose mark in
doesn't-
TOEFL.
Doesn't make any sense.
yeah.
It's not possible, right? Never. We never say an apples and oranges, right?
Right.
You can't do that. Okay. So let's look at the next one here. Saleh.
Definite, specific.
Yeah, if it's definite, that means it is specific. Now, if it is singular and it is specific, go ahead.
I have the
Singular.
book. I have the other book. I have the other.
Let's compare them. You see above? Look
Yeah.
above. You see, why is it another? And here, the other. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the difference? Another, the other.
You know the book before.
The other is a specific book, right? The other. How about another?
Different book.
Well, we don't know which one, right?
Yeah.
How about down here, the example down here, Saleh?
The other.
Mhm.
We know the book too.
Okay. Is this an adjective here?
No pronoun because he can stand alone.
But okay, wait a minute. No S? Why? You see, I don't see S here. Why? Tell me. How come?
Because it is singular.
Exactly. This is singular, no S, because it's singular. Do you understand? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Ayed. Let's do.
I have the other.
Yeah, down here. Plural, specific, plural. Ayed.
Yes. I have a bad connection.
Okay.
Could you repeat, Mr. Raj?
Can you tell us definite and plural? Example.
It's example. I had the second one or the first.
The top. I have
other box.
No. We're doing definite plus plural. Definite. Look across. Definite plus plural.
I can't see it.
You
Maybe
can't.
it's frozen.
All right, Mustafa, you want to try?
Yeah, I have the other books.
The other books, and then below.
I have the others.
I have the others. Again, gentlemen, you see the S? Huh?
Yeah.
When do I put the S? See, compare this pronoun here and this pronoun here. Do you see the difference? Guys, do you see the difference?
Yes. When
on the left, it's singular, right? Yeah. Here, on the left is singular. On the right,
it's plural.
Plural. What about let's compare up and down, you see? Down here, there's an S, right? But there's also an S here. What's the difference?
Indefinite, without that.
Above, it's
not specific.
General, right? It's general, not specific. And below,
Specific.
It's specific. Okay, do you understand? Abdulaziz, notice.
Note that you use another only to refer to an indefinite singular idea.
Okay.
Others is used only as a plural pronoun, not accompanied by a noun.
Yeah, it's not accompanied by a noun. And then?
In all other cases, other is correct.
All right. So if it is not accompanied, it means it must stand alone, right? If it's a pronoun, it must stand alone. Now I want you to read this message here, Suhaid.
Never the another.
What's the problem with this, guys?
Another.
What does it mean if I put the another?
To article.
The plus an plus other. It's a double article. Do you understand? This is a double article. Let's look at exercise 60 now. Okay. Saleh, can you read? How do we do this? Circle?
Circle other, another, or others, then indicate correct C or incorrect I.
Okay. What is this one here? What is this? Look at the chart and tell me.
Pronoun specific.
Is it general or specific, first of all?
Specific.
Okay, specific. Then is it singular or is it plural?
Plural.
Plural. Then is it an adjective?
No.
No.
Pronoun.
It's a pronoun. By the way, what does it refer to? The others?
It.
Program.
So you complete the first program, then you work on the other programs, right? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Mustafa, can you explain number 2?
Yeah. The worst will bring you the another, you can't say the another
Why?
because the double article. So
Exactly. It becomes a double article. So how do I fix this one? Any idea? How do I fix it?
remove the
Remove a or an or the? Which one?
the.
Okay.
Uh,
The waitress
maybe
will
two
bring
ways.
you another bowl of soup. Yes, there are two ways. Who said that? Saleh. Yes, correct. There are two ways. In fact, I'll have to open up the message to show you. I'll show you the message here. There are two ways. Two ways. Can you read them, Ayed?
The other bowl equals I ordered 2 bowls.
Yeah, so at the restaurant, I ordered 2 bowls, right? I ordered 2 bowls. They first, the waiter brought me one. I finished it. And now I want the other. Do you understand? And then how about another?
Another bowl I ordered one time, then I ordered again.
Right. So I ordered a bowl. It was delicious. I decide I want a second bowl. So I ordered another. Do you understand? Okay. All right, gentlemen, do it. 3 minutes.
Three minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. Forty-five seconds. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. Time is up.
Okay, gentlemen, let's do this. Ayed, number 3. What do you think?
I think it's correct.
Correct? Okay. All right. Where do I put the circle?
Another.
Okay, another. Okay. All right. You should pack another pair of shoes in case that pair gets soaked. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Now, why did you choose another? What are the 3 things?
Another. It's like describe
First of all, tell me singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. And you remember yesterday we learned this
Yes,
word pair, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So one pair, yeah, that's singular. And then what else? Is it specific or general?
General.
General, not a specific pair. And then what's the third thing? Plus a noun.
Plus a noun.
So it's an adjective, right?
Yes.
Very good. Correct. Abdulaziz, how about number 4?
Incorrect.
Okay, where do I put the circle?
Others.
Others. Oh.
Because it's already plural. Workers.
Ah. What should I
It's
do?
an adjective. Other. Should be other.
So, exactly. I just removed the S. Khalas. Okay. Remove the S and it changes to adjective, right? Changes to adjective. Abdul Majid, how about number 5?
Put the circle in the last sentence. Another.
Okay.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Why?
I think we should. Another is adjective. I think we should switch it with others.
You just lost marks on the TOEFL.
Is it the other?
No.
Okay.
This sentence is correct. Why is it correct? Because, so do you know the meaning of lamp?
Yes.
Lamp. So like a light, right? Yeah.
Yes.
The lamp, the one that you want, right? Khalas, it's out of stock. You say khalas. In English, we say out of stock. Okay. So you must choose another one, another. Yeah. So it is, first of all, it's singular, right? It is indefinite. It's not a specific lamp. Okay. And this is a pronoun. It refers to another lamp. Got it? Okay. Suhed, number 6.
Yes, I think it's incorrect.
Okay. Why?
Other. You put the circle in the other. I think it's that.
The other, right?
The other.
Okay.
The
The other desk clerk must have put that message in your mailbox.
I think that's it's not a specific.
Well, I think this is not a good question because it depends on situation. If there are just two, if there are only 2 clerks, if there are only 2 clerks, 2 desk clerks, then it is correct. If there are just 2 desk clerks, right? So you have this desk clerk and the other desk clerk. So it really depends. It really depends on how many desk clerks, you see. Yeah. So if there are many desk clerks, what should I use if there are many? If there are many desk clerks.
Another. Sorry, another. Yeah, without the.
Yeah. So I will put in another. Okay. when there are many. If there are many, then I will use another. Okay. You understand, gentlemen? You see the difference? Ayed, Saleh, sorry. Saleh, you want to try number 7?
Correct.
Correct?
The circle A. Yes.
Where?
In another last
The
last
end.
word.
All right. What's the reason? If your identification card is lost or stolen, you cannot get another. So what are the 3 things? Another means that it's singular,
Yes.
right?
Definitely.
Is it specific?
No.
No. So it's general. And then, is it a pronoun or an adjective?
Yes. Pronoun.
It's a pronoun. Yeah. Good. It is correct. Well done. Ayed, number 8.
Number 8, incorrect.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Where should I put the circle?
Other.
Other?
Other.
Ah. You see the problem? I think that one's
Yes.
that's too easy, this example, right? All right. What should it be? They were not pleased with the hotel accommodation last year. They have decided to try
Other hotel. Another.
another. Okay. We want to say not
Yes.
should be another, right? And also one word, just one word. Should
Or
be
other hotels.
another. That's also possible. You're right. Other hotels. Another hotel, or yeah. But that's not very it's not logical to say other hotels. When you travel somewhere, do you stay in many hotels in one place, in one city?
No.
Or do you no, because you want to relax and you don't want to go to many hotels, right?
Yeah.
So I think the best choice is another. Abdulaziz, how about number 9?
Correct.
Where do I put the circle?
Others.
Okay. All right. And why?
Because
Some students moved into the registration area.
refers to the students. So others with this.
Yeah. So first of all, is it singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay. Specific or general?
General.
General. Good. And adjective or pronoun?
Pronoun.
Exactly. Yep. You got it. That's correct. Suhaib, do the last one.
I think it's correct.
You think it's correct, huh?
Yeah.
Where do I put the circle?
Another.
You just lost marks on the TOEFL exam. Boom. This sentence is incorrect. Why? Look at, what does it mean? Another.
It's
Singular.
Another means that it's singular, right?
singular, yeah. Okay, that's okay.
Oh, yeah. That's how you lose marks on the TOEFL. Just like that. So how do I fix it?
Yeah, but other, yeah.
2 ways.
That's N.
2 ways, right? Well, maybe, what if your printer is a color printer, we use the plural, right? If it's a color printer. Okay. What if it's just a black and white, only black and white? Then what do I do if it's a black and white?
I think
If the printer is black and white, then I have 1 cartridge.
Okay.
Do you understand what cartridge means?
Yeah.
Look.
Okay. Yeah.
This is a cartridge. Okay. This is a cartridge for your printer. You see, what does it say here?
HP link
Ink.
cartridge.
Ink
Ink cartridge. Yeah.
cartridge.
Yeah.
Ink cartridge. Okay. So if your printer is only black and white,
It's a one.
then it's one cartridge. So the printer will not function unless it has another cartridge. So in that case, no S. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But if it's a color printer,
It's S with S.
Other.
we need the S. Should be other cartridges. Do you understand, gentlemen? Yeah?
Yeah.
Goodbye, guys. That's it for today. All right.
Goodbye, Mr. H.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Mr.
Correct.
You're welcome. Have a good weekend.
You too.